what is a woman?
A woman is anyone who wants to identify as one.
What is a woman?
It's what they identify as.
That's a circular, you cannot, a cat is a cat because they are a cat. That's not like...
Do we have the brain capacity and do we move like cats? No, Brian. So no, let's not use that as an example. If a man wants to sit up here and tell me he's a man, then he's a fucking man. I'm not going to waste my breath and my life trying to debate her on how she's not a woman.
I now identify as Keeko. Thank you for relieving me of this burdensome 148 IQ. It feels liberating to be in the double digits.
Did you want to continue? Or?
No.